Imagine a world where the ancient, dusty ledgers of the insurance industry are swept away by the lightning-fast precision of artificial intelligence. This is the story of Reliance Global Group, Inc., a company that began not just as a business, but as a rebellion against inefficiency. Founded in 2013 by the visionary Ezra Bayman, the company emerged from a simple yet profound realization: the insurance sector was broken. It was slow, opaque, and frustratingly manual. Bayman, a seasoned entrepreneur with a sharp eye for undervalued assets, saw an opportunity to build something monumental. He didn't just want to sell policies. He wanted to rewrite the rules of engagement. From its humble beginnings in Lakewood, New Jersey, Reliance started as a whisper in a crowded room, a small idea fueled by the belief that technology could humanize a rigid industry. As the years passed, Reliance Global Group did not just grow, it evolved with a predatory grace, acquiring undervalued insurance agencies and breathing new life into them. The early days were defined by a relentless pursuit of expansion, aggregating small independent agencies under one robust umbrella. This was the buy and build phase, a strategic masterclass where Bayman and his team identified regional leaders and integrated them into a cohesive national force. The workforce expanded, bringing together veteran insurance experts and hungry young innovators. Investors watched with bated breath as Reliance transformed from a collection of disjointed assets into a unified powerhouse, proving that their model of consolidation was not only viable but scalable. The company was no longer just a participant in the market. It was becoming a formidable architect of its own destiny. But the true revolution began when Reliance looked beyond the horizon and saw the rising tide of digitization. They understood that acquiring agencies was only the first step. The leap to greatness required a technological backbone. This realization birthed the company's modern identity as an insurtech pioneer. The leadership made a bold pivot, deciding that the future wasn't in filing cabinets but in code. They began pouring resources into developing proprietary platforms that would seamlessly bridge the gap between traditional brokerage and the digital age. This transition wasn't easy, but it was necessary. It marked the moment. Reliance stopped following the path and started blazing a new trail, setting the stage for a disruption that would capture the attention of Wall Street and Main Street alike. Enter the era of artificial intelligence, the rocket fuel that is currently propelling Reliance Global Group into the stratosphere. The company isn't just using AI as a buzzword. They have woven it into the very fabric of their operations. Their flagship platform, 5minuteinsure.com, is the physical manifestation of this technological leap. Utilizing advanced data mining and robotic process automation, the platform does in moments what used to take hours. It scans thousands of data points, compares quotes from dozens of top-tier carriers, and delivers the best options to the consumer in under 2 minutes. This is AI at its most practical and powerful, eliminating the headache of paperwork and replacing it with algorithmic precision. The integration of AI goes deeper than just customer-facing interfaces. It is revolutionizing the company's internal decision-making processes. Machine learning algorithms now analyze market trends and consumer behavior patterns, allowing Reliance to predict shifts in demand before they happen. This predictive capability means they can tailor their offerings with surgical accuracy, reducing wasted ad spend and increasing conversion rates. Automated workflows handle the heavy lifting of policy administration, freeing up their human agents to focus on what they do best: building relationships and closing high-value deals. This symbiosis of human expertise and machine efficiency is the secret sauce that promises to drive long-term profitability and margin expansion. Innovation at Reliance is not a static concept. It is a living, breathing engine of growth represented by their B2B platform, Rely Exchange. This platform effectively democratizes the insurance industry, offering independent agents an agency in a box. By leveraging the company's AI infrastructure, smaller agents can now compete with national giants, accessing markets and carriers that were previously out of reach. This is a game changer. It creates a network effect where every new agent that joins Rely Exchange adds value to the entire ecosystem. The platform automates the back-office drudgery, allowing agents to focus purely on sales. As this network grows, so does Reliance's revenue stream, creating a scalable, high-margin business model that is less capital-intensive and infinitely more explosive. The narrative of reliance. Global Group is also one of strategic alliances and bold financial maneuvers that signal a maturing company ready for the big leagues. Recently, the company has made headlines with its One Firm initiative, streamlining operations to create a leaner, more efficient organization. They have strategically divested non-core assets to double down on their InsurTech capabilities, a move that screams confidence. Furthermore, their recent decision to diversify their treasury with digital assets like Zcash shows a forward-thinking management team that is not afraid to embrace the future of finance. These collaborations and strategic shifts are opening new revenue channels and positioning the company at the intersection of insurance, technology, and digital finance. Now, let's talk about the opportunity that is sitting right in front of you, the stock price. Currently trading around the 0.75 mark, really represents what many market watchers might call a coiled spring.